Hello everyone, as I promised, I'm back again to show you guys how to download the forms, plan seeking employment form and application form, and how to do the reservation with the immigration office to get your visa done so that you don't get stuck in the queue. So let's have a look. So first you have to go to the website, which is www.thaiKorea.go.kr. Then you can switch to the language as English.
And if you are from China, then you can switch to Chinese.
Or Korean if you know Korean well. And then go to petition, application, reserve visit. As I don't know Korean much and Chinese of course I don't know, so I'll just use the English. Then go to the way down and first do the check on the I have read and understood the information above. As you are not a member, so you can just go with the visit reservation application non-member. Click OK. Now you have to fill out your registration number details, then date of issuance. So in your Align residence card, in your ARC card, there is date of issue on the front side, bottom right corner. So you can select that date, then update the next column, confirm. As I reside in Daejeon, I will select Daejeon Immigration Office. If you are in Seoul, Busan, you can select accordingly the nearby immigration office. Then you can select others because it doesn't matter. Then this should be always application of sojourn. If you are going for like visa change, visa extension, it's okay to do the visa extension. Or if you are going from D2 to D10, change of visa is also fine. You can do both or any one, it's okay. Then in your mobile number, select 010, type out your mobile number. You can set any password as a 4-digit. So I'll set 1234, go to date of visit. As you see, all these grayed outs are non-available seats. If your visa is expiring in March 28, you can take, sorry, it's February. On March 31st, you can take date of 24th or 25th, just click on that. So as you can see, there is an error. It's still December. You can't do later than 2 months. If you see, there are the available dates. So where there is no gray mark on the calendar like this, those are the available dates. So if it's in January, in February, but if you see timing as grayed out, then it means it's not an available timing for you. If you see 2 by 2, at that time they will only select 2 people. I'll just go here, select my time and apply. As I don't need now, I won't click on apply. You just click on apply. Okay. Then to download the forms, you can go to information sharing corner, visa navigator. Over there, left hand side, you will see application form. And this is the application form which we will download. And the plan seeking employment will be way below in other section. This is plan for seeking employment. I'll download this too. Go to my downloads and open those forms. So first I will open plan for seeking employment. So here the filling out details, as it's a personal information, so I won't be filling out. I'll just show you what all things needs to be filled out. So you can fill out your full name, last name and given name. Then your gender, your date of birth or your registration card details, any of it. Nationality, name of university and degree, and if you have work experience you can add that too, only if you have it. If you don't, you don't have to. And then the plan for seeking employment section. So this is the most important section. Here you have to fill out first month, like if you are studying topic, so you can just write I will prepare for topic, and then for second month I will give my exam, attend job fair. You can write whole your 6 months plan over there. It should be pen written. It should not be like written online and then you are printing it. No, you have to print and then write these things. Then next I'll show you application form. This is how application form is. You have to download and then you have to stick your latest picture over here, and then you have to fill out this section, change of status of sojourn. Then your full name, your date of birth and gender, your nationality, your ARC number, your passport details, your address in Korea, then your cell phone number, your address in your home country, and the number they can reach out in your home country. You can give your parents' number, emergency number. You don't have to fill out workplace, school status, anything. You can just go down, date of your application, your signature, and then applicant and your signature, and done. That's it. But if you are living here with your spouse, then you can write your spouse details and signature of them, so it will be good. Their visa gets to be extended too. This is all are the important things you have to fill out for your form as well. And these are the details I will show you once again. You must have when you go for your visa, which are the passport original and copy of passport, ARC, which is your residence card, your one passport size picture which you will stick on your application form, housing rent agreement, final degree, application form, then plan for seeking employment, and cash 130,000 won. So that's it. This is how you have to fill out your forms and do the reservation. If you have any comments or you have any doubts or anything, you can just write down in the comment section and reach out to me and I'll help you with that. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.